So this is how to sound like Young Fazo from the song All Emotion. It's like his biggest song at the moment. He's put all his marketing and promo into it. So yeah, this is the original song. Alright, so this is what it sounds like, my version. Mind you, this beat was made, like, it took the vocals out of AI, so, you know, the beat sounds a little ass, but yeah. So yeah, that's a little snippet of what it sounds like. You want the presets? Add my Discord, a bit linked in the description. Yeah.